Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a 2x2 sliding door. So what we're gonna do right now is first of all we'll dig down 2 blocks and expand it to make it 2x3, and then we're gonna extend it from both sides with 2 blocks like this, and then a single block on top of it. And then we're gonna put our redstone torches on both sides. After that, we're gonna just place a glue block on both sides, and we're gonna just cover the whole contraption. And then we're gonna do is add the redstone dust on both of these and put our pistons right here. Okay, now we're gonna put the glass blocks on the sticky piston, and then we're just gonna put the pressure plates. There you go. 2x2 sliding door is complete, and let's test it out. As you can see, it works. So that was pretty much for this video. If you like this video, please leave a like and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.